Linking your bank account to Payoneer is a straightforward process that allows you to withdraw funds easily. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Access your Payoneer account by visiting the Payoneer website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access various account settings, including payment methods. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In the settings menu, find the option for bank account or bank account linking. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, routing number, and account type. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. Now you are ready to withdraw funds from your Payoneer account directly to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult Payoneer's support for assistance.